My name is Steve Mancinelli. I'm the owner of Mancinelli's Auto Repair Center in Denver, Colorado. I've been working with Kukui for 2.5 years now. I was looking to have my website redesigned, and I heard lots of good things about Kukui, and so I had them completely redesign the website, add relevant content to drive us higher up the internet search pages, and in the 2.5 years it has done exactly that. With the interaction with our shop management systems, we're able to really see exactly how people are being driven to our shop, whether they're organically picking us up on the web, whether they're driven by Google AdWords, whether it's an email or text. They manage my email blasts to my regular customer base. It's been a pretty good relationship. Kukui is exclusive automotive. They're not dabbling in any other industries. They tailor everything to the car repair business. They're really in touch with it, and they do a lot of things, continually do things to help us keep the bays full, and you really can't afford to not have the bays full all the time because of what it costs to do business these days. I would absolutely recommend Kukui to any of my colleagues. They're a great partner.